Hey guys, my name is Mateo Hernandez, and today I'm going to teach you how to make that famous Interstellar pad sound on Massive. Come on, let's check it out. Alright guys, so let's get this started. I'll be showing you a little demonstration on how it sounds so you know what you're getting into. I'll also be moving the notes aside so you know what I'm playing. Let's get this show on the road. We'll start off by making a new sound. We'll go over here on the voicing tab. Then go up to 7 on unison. Turn on your pitch cutoff. Then move it slightly to the right. On your second oscillator, turn it on and make sure you pitch it up 12 semitones. Afterwards, we'll be going on the wavetables and choosing Blender 1. Then move your wavetable position to about 4 o'clock, same one with the one above. Move the intensity to about the letter N. Move the intensity to about the letter N as well. Then you're going to go on your first filter and put low pass 4. Bring down the cutoff and resonance on your first filter. You're going to go to envelope 4, and then you're going to bring up the attack. Not too much, but just a bit. Then move the decay to about the letter Y. Put your level between 3 o'clock and 4. Then increase your release by just a bit. You're going to want to put that fourth envelope and put it onto the cutoff, slightly over halfway. You're going to go to your effects and put a reverb on it. Increase the size. Lower down the density. And then increase the color. This will make it have that huge space sound. Then we're going to go on to second effects and press delay synced. I'm going to move it down to 3 so that way it gives it a little bit more change in color. Afterwards, we're going to put the dry wet down to about 11 o'clock. Increase the damp to about 2 o'clock. And then the feedback, change it up a bit. Then you're going to go to your EQ just so that the higher frequencies can decrease a bit. And then decrease your boost, decrease your low shelf. There you have it. I'll be showing you an example right now. And there you have it, guys. There's the Interstellar pad sound that I was talking about. Hope you guys have fun with it. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, or subscribe. Have a good one, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos.